Hi again once more. I'll try to make this video a lot better. This is another trick made by me, and I call it from random to diamonds. So first of all, we have this little deck of cards. You can see there's a lot of different. Okay, just flick it like that, and every one of them become diamonds. That was a trick. You can of course do a lot of other routines. You can shuffle it, and then you show that they're random, and just have them touch a card and say, I know that's a diamond. This is a trick that you can make by your own. First of all, you need 13 random cards, and then you need the 13 diamonds in the deck. So what you do with the diamonds is you take them, and you take a diamond and a random card, and then you take some tape. Use double-sided tape. I don't have double-sided tape, so I just used normal tape, but that's easier to reveal, so I didn't do that. But just tape two cards together with the diamonds in the front and the random in the back. Tape them together at the bottom, the very bottom, because when you riffle it down, you can see both cards. Okay, but when you fan it out, you can only see this card. So just make a small deck of that. Of course, you can put it on the rest of the deck and just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 cards. But always have the tape at the bottom of all the cards. Okay. This. But then of course you can show them like this, riffle it down, show they're all different, and then when you fan it out like this, you can have them touch any card, and let's say they touch this one, and you say that's a diamond, and of course it is. Hope you enjoyed. Fun to make your own routines maybe, and yeah, thanks for watching.